Alright, so I'm about to take you outside, show you what's been going on these last few days here in Atlanta. It's actually better than it's been by far. We had 7 inches of snowfall, well, somewhere between 5 and 7 inches Sunday night, and woke up on Monday morning with a major layer of snow on the ground, and haven't been able to really leave the house ever since, except to go to Kaminsky's, which I got stuck at the bottom of the hill coming back from. Now things have thawed, but this was all covered in ice. There's Andy hard at work. This is our street. Been shoveling up since it's warm enough to shovel it up. It's pretty slick right here. Woo! But it's actually getting better down our street. This whole street was covered in this stuff. Now there's grooves. Well, there's grooves in the street right now. But this is like the ultimate hill. Pretty entertaining to watch from my room, where my window is over there, and watch people not make it up the hill. But I actually only seen one, and that was my roommate.
And I came down here to get away from this. My first few months here, and this is what I get. It follows me. See how it works?
Yeah, Andy is doomed to ice and snow for the rest of his life, wherever he goes. Jack seems to like it though. He doesn't care. I've had a good time in it. I've gotten a lot of work done. Gotten to actually respond to all my emails. You can see the layer of snow still on the roof, covering everything. It's actually like a crunchy, icy snow. Jack was actually running on top of it earlier this morning. It was so hard. Let's see. Cool stuff. Signing off from Madison Street.